When I was 7 or 8 years old, I had developed mental ill health problems. I did speak about it because I was afraid of what other people would think about it. And then when I was about 18, I decided to make a change. So it meant volunteering for Time to Change Wales and try and make attitudes towards mental health better. I took part in anti-stigma talks, so it would be going to organisations, businesses, schools to talk about my journey with mental ill health as well as stigma and discrimination I faced. I found out that I was nominated for the award when I came into the Mind Cymru offices. I just got this email and it said WCVA award. I opened it and it said that someone had nominated me. So the first thing I did was go into the corridor and phone my mum and tell her, because I've never been nominated for an award like this in my life. So it was like the happiest I've ever felt kind of thing because of it. When they named me as an award winner, I didn't quite believe it at first. I looked at my partner thinking, is this actually happening? Looked at my family and they sort of looked at me almost as shocked as I was. Winning for the award has made a huge impact on my mental health. For the first time I felt happy and that I was able to do things with my life. I felt brave, I felt like I could accomplish anything. And that's something I never really felt before. I'm getting emotional, sorry. But yeah, I think for me it's that life-changing moment where it's people believe in you when you never believed in yourself. And I think that really has an impact on my mental health, yes. The extra confidence it gave me was being able to go out to talks and my anti-stigma talks and be able to sort of like be more proud in what I do. That confidence is there to gives me to come to the office every week, even during the bad times, because it feels like I'm actually doing something right.